Children, all of you on the cameras. See, we start these questions, okay? Exercise 4.3, question number 1, y is equal to 3x. Can you draw the graph, children, for this? Y is equal to 3x. Children, can you draw the graph for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you draw y is equal to 3x.
Sir, in graph book or normal paper?
Graph only you can use. No, normal book you use not come up.
Sir, one doubt is if they don't ask for 2 points, then we should only mark 1 point on the graph, right?
What? Till once again.
Sir, so suppose they don't give to like mark 2 points which correspond to the equation, then we should just mark 1 point which corresponds, right, on the graph.
Mark 1 point on the graph. See, they will ask to draw the graph only. Means line you should draw only. Without 2 points, you can't make a line. No. Without 2 points, you can't make a line.
Okay.
Correct? With correct? No. 2 coordinates is given to you, then only you can draw the graph. Correct? Otherwise, 1 point.
Yes, sir.
What will do in 1 point is nothing. No use of in the graph only, right? Nihar, then Satvik, Sahil,
1 minute, sir. I'll bring my graph.
Ashini. See, y is equal to 3x. They are using y is equals x is equal to 0. Then they are getting the answer as what? Y is equal to 0 only. Okay. If x is equals to 0, you're getting y is equals to 0. If you are writing x is equals to 1, then y is equals to what? 3. If x is equals to 1, 3 into 1, that is y is equal to 3 only. Okay, children, so these are the 2 points what you are having with you. If x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to also 0. If x is equals to 1, y is equals to 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So just simply these 2 points we got. First point is, first coordinate is 0, 0, and second coordinate is 1, 3. You can just show on the paper, means on the graph paper, and you can just match this both. Okay, 0, 0 and 1, 3. All right, and match this line. This is a particular equation for y is equal to 3x. Is it clear, children? How to draw this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's correct. Fine.
Sir, so we need 2 coordinates for this one line equation.
Yeah, 2 points we need. 2 coordinates we need to draw any line. By the help of one point where you draw. Correct, no, Ashini?
Yes, sir.
Now, second question is this. This is clear to everyone? Shall I move further to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first question. Now question number, this is one you just let. And now question number 2. See, second equation is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. All of you do this question. Do in the notebook, Asini. Do and show me. Three is equal to 2x plus y. 3 is equals to 2x plus y.
Sir, is the answer x is equals to 1 and
Sir,
y is
if-
equals to 1?
Sir, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3.
X is equal to
Sir.
0, then y is equal to 3.
Sir, if x is equals to 1 and then the y is equals to 1.
First, you try to make it 0, no? If you can make it 0, that then you can move further to the any other coordinate, okay?
Sir, if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1.3, 1.5.
Yeah, see here. If first of all, if you are having x and y 0, if you can put and getting the answer, that you prefer first, okay? If x is equal to 0, what is the y? Y is 3, right? And if y is 0, x is equal to 1.5. Check, children, you will get or not? All of you check.
So if x is equal to 1, then I am getting y is equal to 0. Is it correct?
If x is equals to 1, then y is equals to also 1.
Yes, sir. 1. Y equals to.
See, 3 is equals to 2x plus y. So if x is equal to 1, the 2 into 1 plus y. So y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1 only, right, Sahil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I have taken 2a is I have just taken 2 as 3.
Acha, acha.
That's why I got wrong.
Mhm. So first preference you
So
give
the
to,
formula is 2x equals to 3 minus y, right?
yeah, you can, anyway you can write, you can write like this also, 2x plus y is equal to 3, or 2x is equal to y plus y, 2x is equal to 3 minus y. Your wish, how we want to write, right? Or same only you can use the formula, no problem. Satvik, you are getting or not?
So I'm getting, but I didn't get the second one, sir.
This one you are not getting.
Yes, sir.
Put here y is equal to 0, you
0,
put,
comma, sir, 1.5, comma 0 will lie on the x-axis, right?
yeah, exactly. So see here, Satvik, 3 is equal to 2x plus 0. So what you can write? 2x is equal to 3. If you write like this also, no problem at all. So x is equal to what? 3 by 2. So 1.5. Not getting.
I got it, sir.
Yeah, that's easy only. So 1.5 lies between 1 and 2. Anyone having doubt in question number 2, children?
No, sir.
Sai Charan, you got the same answer? So see here,
Yes, sir.
their final solution, 1 they have taken, and 0 and 3 they have taken. Okay. So your wish, any two points you can take and draw the graph. See, your graph is coming like this or not? Check. Ashini, you drawn the graph in the paper?
Yes, sir. I got it the same.
No, I'm asking about graph, not for the points. I'm asking about the graph.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So question number 3rd. Give the equations. Question number 3rd is give the equation like the same question what we have tested in. No, same only, right? Same what we have did day before yesterday.
Yes, sir. It's the
Give the
same.
equation of 2 line passing through 2 comma 14. How many lines? How many more such lines are there and why? So 2 comma 14 means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. So you can write x plus y is equal to 16. Or you can write x minus y is equal to minus 12. There's so many lines we can write. In fact, we can find infinite equation because through one point infinite line pass, right? From one point, how many line pass?
Yes, sir.
Infinite.
Infinite.
Line passes. So how many such more lines are there? You can say infinite number of lines. You have read last class only, right, children? Those who are not getting, they can just copy it. Is it clear? No? Question number 3rd in the last class we have done. Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4th. This also we have done. Taxi part. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
So first kilometer is rupees 8 and subsequent kilometer is rupees 5. So tell me, Sahil, what was the equation we have read?
Yes, sir.
For the taxi question, what was the equation we have read? I'm asking you.
So it was x minus 5 like that.
Remember what we have read, whether you are revising or not. We'll test here now. Tell me. Who can tell me immediate answer? How to write the equation for this? Anyone can answer me? Question number 4. Yes, children. Nihar, Sai Ritvik, Sai Charan, Ashini. Anyone, children, how to write the equation for this? I'm just testing whether you're revising it or not really. Just tell me, children. Think and tell me fast.
So 3x into x minus 5.
What? Come once again.
3x into x minus 5.
3x into x minus 5. That's it.
No, equal to
Equal to
something.
what? Equal to what we get? 3x minus x will not come.
So 3y into x minus 5.
See here, I told you this is the first kilometer they are charging rupees 8. First kilometer they are charging rupees 8. But for the next kilometer, subsequent distance, they are charging 5 rupees per kilometer. And total distance is x. So I'm just waiting for who can tell me the answer.
I got it, sir.
Yeah, tell.
So I think it will be something like 5x plus 3.
What is 5x here?
5x is the the fare of the rest distance.
Okay. Okay. And plus 3y?
Plus 3y is nothing but
Extra rupees, right? You are saying.
yeah, extra rupees. If we the fare for the fare after 1 kilometer is 8, so if we subtract it by 5, we will get plus 3.
Okay, extra 8 rupees is equal to y, you are saying, right? This only.
Yeah, yes.
This is also kind of correct. But I told in different way. What I told you, suppose first kilometer you are going with rupees 8, right? And next kilometer is how much left?
I got as x is equal to 13y.
X is equal to 13y.
Yes, sir.
How this will come? And how 13 will come? X will be, suppose 5 kilometer you are going. So what is the answer? Then y is what? 5 by 13, like that you are saying. This is completely wrong, no? X is equal to 13y if you write. If you go 5 kilometer, what is the answer? 5 by 13. Nihar?
No, sir.
See, I told in this method. The first kilometer we are moving with 8 kilometers. 8 into y road for first kilometer. For next other kilometers, that is x minus 1. If already 1 kilometer you went already, the rest how much distance is pending still? X minus 1.
Yes, sir.
And you, how much price you are paying? 5 rupees is equals to y. If you solve, no, you'll get the same thing what I told. See, 8 into 1 is 8 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to y. So you'll get here 5x plus 3 is equal to y. Same thing you get. Understood, children, how we are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Children,
sir.
why you are forgetting the
Yes, sir.
easily, children? How we are forgetting and not getting you? We have discussed around 5 minutes the same question. I don't know. Did you remember, Nihar? We have discussed 5 minutes on this question.
Yes.
We spent 5 minutes time.
Yes, sir. Sir, I got the first part, but then I forgot the second part. Like in which we have to multiply with the total fare. That I forgot.
Yeah. Here you can do directly 5x plus 3. How? Because see, suppose first is also taking 5 rupees only, and extra 3 rupees you can add. That is better. No, that also you can do. Okay, next question. Anyone having doubt in this question, children? Anyone of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So here they are saying write the linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So for this graph also you can draw, right? Draw the graph for this, all of you children. 5x plus 3 is equal to y. Draw the graph how it comes. Or tell me only coordinate part and you can draw the graph at home. X and y, what you should take. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. If y is equal to
Sir, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal
Y
to
is
3.
equal to
sir.
3.
then if y is equal to
Then if
0,
y is equal to 0, then x equals to 0.
Minus
I think so.
3. Minus
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 3.
3.
Minus 3 by 5, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Minus.
if, sir,
Yes,
if
sir.
x is
Minus
equal
3
to 1, y is equal to 8.
X is equal to 1, that also you can take, yes. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 8. Fine, this also you can take if you want. Okay, or a small values also you can take if you want. If x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to what? Minus 2, correct? Hmm. So these two coordinates, any two coordinates you can take and just can do that, right? Understood, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you're not finding y value, then you can take x only. X you can take and get the answer directly, you can do. So you'll get the equation like this. Say they have taken x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. So you are getting the answers. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now next question. This we did already, right? Which graph is for what, right?
Yes, sir, we did it.
This is
Yes,
a very
sir.
this is a very easy question. Nothing to worry in this. Next question is, read this question. Question number, this one. All of you read this question. If the work done by a body on application of constant force directly proportional to distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units or 0 units. So work done by the constant force. So what is work? You know, children, you have read in class 9, what is work done? Work done is nothing but force into displacement is nothing but what? Work done. You have one chapter in your class. You are having 5 chapters in physics, right? You might be reading that motion chapter. You might be reading no motion, then force and laws of motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to read gravitation. Then you are having work, energy, and power. You are having, right? And sound.
Yes, sir.
5 chapters you are having with you this year. So work formula, we try to understand. Work is nothing but force into displacement. Okay. So try to read the question and make the equation according to this. If the work done by the body on the application of a constant force is directly proportional to distance, so force is directly proportional to what? Distance traveled by a body. No, work done is no this one. Work, they are saying that work is equal to force into displacement. Work is equals to force into displacement. So you think that the constant force is y and distance traveled is x. You can think this, right? So y is equal to 5x. This is your equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't
Because-
understand, sir.
See, the question they are given here is, if the work done by the body on the application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. This is the formula of work. Work is equals to force into displacement. Okay. By the help of this, you understood or not? From the by the first line.
Yes, sir.
So express this in the form of equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking constant force. Force you should take what? 5. It means
Y
work,
is equal to 5 into x. 5x is equal to 1.
you can take x is equal to 5y, or you can take y is equal to 5x, your wish. Okay. So here they have taken here y units for force. So you can use here. The work done they are taking as y and distance traveled is x. So they are taking this one. Okay. You can your wish. You can take either first one or second one. Answer will come the same. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Huh.
So distance is y
Sir,
and
what is-
5x is the work done.
Yeah.
sir,
X,
what
x is the
zero?
distance traveled in the second equation. In the second equation, y is the work done and x is the distance traveled. Yeah, tell me your question. Someone is asking question.
Sir, 0. Sir, what is 0 into x?
0 into x is 0 only, no? Anything multiplied by 0 is 0.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So if you're putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to also 0. You can take any other coordinate. This is the answer. That's it. Any doubt you are having? You can draw the graph by the help of this, children.
Yes, sir.
So don't worry by
Yes,
this
sir.
word problems is big. It looks very big, but it's very easy. Once you write the equation, then it's very easy. Nothing to worry about that. Only that it looks so thing like. Now see, the next question they have given here is also read the graph from the work done when distance traveled by the body is 2 and 0. If you once you draw the graph, no, then you should check that time now. Okay. So this is the graph you have read already, right? You have drawn the graph. This is your x and x dash, x dash. Here is y and y dash. Okay. So this is the graph for y is equal to 5x. So here what we have written, y is work done, y is what work done, and x what we have written, displacement, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in the question what they are asking here is distance traveled by the body is 2. Distance traveled by the body is 2. So where is 2? Distance travel is here 2. See here. You should match the graph over here. So your graph will match here. Okay. That time your work is how much? That time how much your work is there? 10, right? So this point is nothing but 2 comma what? 10. Correct, children? So at
Yes, sir.
point 2,
Yeah.
at distance 2, how much work
I
done
don't
it's doing?
understand.
You didn't understand. 1 minute. I just make it 1 minute. I'll just show you once again. I'll make the graph bigger. First, you tell me you understood how they have mentioned here y is equal to 5x. That is clear to
That
you.
part I understood, sir.
Okay. Now, second part of the question they are asking is, if distance is equals to 2 units, then what would be the work done? Okay. See here.
So then y will be 10.
Yeah, exactly. So see here what they are asking. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 and 0. You should see at 2 and 0, then you'll get to know exactly. So when it is 2, then work done is what? Distance is 2, then work done is what? 10, right?
Yes.
And if distance is 0, the work done is what? That also 0. Understood or not?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
Everyone's cleared. Sahil, it's cleared. Ashini, Nihar,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sai Charan, it's clear what they're asking the
Yes, sir,
question?
it's clear.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So this first question was to make the graph of y is equal to 5x. This was the first question. And x, they are talking about distance, and y, they are talking about work done. Now the next question is, if distance is 2, what is work done? You should match that line, that's it. So here is 2, you just dotted, you just make to the graph, okay? Then you'll get how much distance work done you get? 10. If distance is 0, then if you match, there is only there, right? It's not going anywhere. Means both work done and distance is 0, 0 at 0, 0, right? So at distance is equal to 0, you are getting work done also 0. Okay, next question is, see here, they have given here. Work done when the distance traveled 2 units, 10 units. 0 unit, 0 unit. So next question is Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9th. Together contributed rupees 100 to Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Okay, so 2 children are there of class 9th. They are contributing 100 rupees. Okay, together contributed 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Write the linear equation which satisfy this data. Obviously, including if suppose 2 students are there. Now the first student is giving x rupees and second student will give y rupees. So both including they are paying how much? 100 rupees, correct?
Yes, sir. X plus y is equal to 100.
Yeah. So if you make this one also x and y, if x is equals to 0, y is equal to 100. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 100. This is very easy. So at 100 directly you can match, right?
Yes, sir.
So nothing to do, only simply you can draw the graph at 100 and match the answer. That's it. See the graph now. See, it's matching at 100. That's it.
Sir, in this we can take 1 unit as a 20, right?
Yeah, 100 you're getting, no, 20 also you can take, 50 also take, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Because here you should get 100 we should get, right? So both are equal. It means here they are 50-50. How they have mentioned here? How they mentioned here 50-50. So both are equal at 50-50, they are saying, right?
Yes,
Why-
sir. One is 50, then other is also 50.
Yeah, this point they have mentioned over there. That is not the answer. Simply we don't know how much graph. This is a possibility. If one is paying 0, the other is paying 100. In between, if means so many possibilities are there, infinity possibility are there. What is there? Infinite possibilities. Understood? If two equation is given, no, then exactly will come. Understood, children? If two equation is given to you, then answer will
Yes,
come
sir.
exactly. This is infinite possibility. If only one line is there, then how many possibilities are there? Infinite possibilities. Why infinite possibilities, children? You understood now? If one is paying 0 rupees,
Yes, sir.
other will pay 100. If one is paying 10, sorry, if 10, the other will pay 90. See here, if you 10 you match here, no, see, dotted. See, this point is what? 10, 90. You can match so many points, okay? You can match so many
Yes, sir.
points, so answer are infinite. But if they give the question like this, x plus y is equal to something, suppose they have given 50. Or you can just 2x plus y is equal to 50, right? Then some equation, suppose line will come like this. This is the point for x and y. Okay, only one solution will get. Understood, children? Depends on the graph. If only one line is given to you, then infinite possibilities are there. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Read the
No, sir.
question once. Read the question once. If you're getting doubt in the question, you just ask. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th, together contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. So simply you can just, this is the equation, and by the help of this equation we have drawn the graph. That's it.
Sir, we can take it as 2x. 2x also we can take.
How, what you can take? 2x is equal to what?
2x plus y is equal to 100.
How we can take like this? How this is
So we can't take because no data is given.
yeah, 2x means it looks, he is paying double, like something looks like that, right? We don't know how much he is paying. Why you will take 2x?
Okay, sir. So if the data is given, then only we can take.
Then only you can compare. Someone is paying half, double, something like that. Two equations will come, no, then you have to think about it. Two equations will come. Children, if you're having problem with this thing, no. Sriyanvi, are you there in the meeting? Sriyanvi,
Yes, sir. I'm in the meeting, sir.
you were able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
No network. Children, nobody is just problem with the network, right? No one is facing problem, no, in the network. If you're facing problem in the network, then I'll share you the directly Zoom ID, okay? So that you'll not have problem. All right, you just tell me if you're having problem or are kicking out from the meeting directly or something like that. I will share you the link of Zoom ID, okay? That would be better option.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
Ashini, but on your camera. Satvik, why you are off the camera, man? If I tell, then you off on the camera, huh? Satvik,
Yes, sir.
What do you think? You want to save data? Huh?
No, sir.
Then it's night you will see the movie and the videos. Huh?
No, sir.
Like TV, Sony TV, GTV. Huh? So many children are there. They're saying that, sir, my data will get over. That's why I'm just saving the data. Okay, fine, children. Next question is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. Okay, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius, right? So this is the formula they have given here in the question. How to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. By using this formula, you can understand. Pulastya, you are getting, child, you are getting what I'm teaching over here.
Yeah.
All right. So here there is a relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay. So in countries like USA and Canada, the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, but in country like India, it is measured in Celsius. So here is the linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. All right. So this is the equation is given over here. So draw the graph for the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis. On x-axis, you have to consider Celsius. X-axis you should consider Celsius, and y-axis what? Fahrenheit. All right. Means you're putting x-axis. Understood what I'm saying? If you're here, you can put C. Here you can write F. Understood? Like this, you can do. Correct, children? If Celsius is 2, then 0. Then what will be Fahrenheit? Like that, you can just make the data. Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
So just make one line like this. You write here Celsius and here you write Fahrenheit. So put the values as per your convenient things. You can get the answer. Understood, children? How to do this? See here, if you see Celsius is equal to 5, you take, right? If you take 5, then 5 will get cancelled, right? So 9 plus 32 directly you can get. Or better, you can do -5 also you can put, right? Or -10 also you can put. Your wish to, you have to try to make it minimize. A small thing you get answer, no? So see, if you take something like, suppose you're taking C is equal to 5. So 5 will get cancelled. So 9 plus 32, that is what? 41 you'll get.
But we can take C as 0 also.
Yes, sir. We can take C as 0.
If you say C as 0, then what answer you get? 32.
Sir, 32.
Yeah. So 0 you'll get 32, and if Fahrenheit is 0, then what you will get? If Fahrenheit is 0, then you'll get 9 by
9 by 5 plus 32.
minus 32, right? So this is of no use because something answer will come in point, right? So in this type of questions, you take C is equal to 0, you are getting 32 directly, and C is equals to 5 you take, or -5 you can take. If you take -5, the 32 minus 9 is what? 43. Sorry, 23. Correct. Understood,
So
children? Or
Fahrenheit as -4.
Yes, sir.
what? -4 if you take, what will happen?
Yes, sir, -4. So it will be -9 by 5 C, and it's equal to 36. So C is equal to -20.
You are saying that F is equal to -4 we should take.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so -4 is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then what you can write for this? 9 by 5 C is equals to -36. Correct.
So plus 36.
Plus 36, minus 36. Check.
So plus, sir. Minus.
Minus. It's minus. Check from your end once again.
So it should be plus only.
It should be minus. Check. It should be plus or minus. Check, Nihar, once again. Check once again, Nihar.
Okay. You have taken 9 by 5 as plus. Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Minus.
Because here this is as constant we are putting, and this I'm sending to other side. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And children, if you are getting confused, no, just you do completely, you can reverse. If you are getting confused, you can directly reverse it. If you're getting confused in exam and all, if you completely reverse, no sign will not get changed. Remember that, okay? So now you can do this. This one you send to other side. If you're getting confused, you can do like this. What you have to find, that you keep on left hand side, and other just reverse it off. No problem at all. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here C is equals to what you get? C is equals to minus 36 into 5 divided by 9. The 9 4s are 36. We get minus 20, correct?
Yes, sir. Minus 20.
Yeah. If f is equals to minus 4, then that is we are getting minus 20. Yeah, you can use anything. So I'm writing here minus 4 minus 20. So see, they have made here, the graph is here itself in front of you. See, this is the graph. 0, 32 is here. See, this is the point of 0, 32. And anything you can take, it will come on the same line, okay? And then their next part of the question is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? That simply should match. 30 degrees Celsius is coming here on the x-axis. Take it, extend it out on the top. This is your y-axis.
Sir, we can simply put it in the equation which they have given.
That also you can do, no problem. But if show on the graph, that is better, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So 30, if obviously if you put, you'll get the answer. And solve, if you are having doubt and all, you can solve this and both should be matched. That is for sure, okay? So if it is not matching correctly, you just put here only 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32. So 5 6 are 30, the 54 plus 32. You should get what? 86. So see, 86 we are getting. Correct, no? So both by both the methods, you'll get the answer. Is it clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do question number 9. Next question you do. What the same question is this? No, something different. Same graph only you should use, right? Same graph only you should use, but you can draw the graph. You have not made the graph now in your notebook. Children, you're doing the graph. Ritvik, Sai Ritvik, you are doing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
do the graph and find the answer for first and second part.
The first one it's 35, sir.
Okay, first one is 35, right?
Yes, sir.
So for the next 3 questions, the graph is not needed, right?
For which one? For 3. These two you are saying.
3 bits. For the next 3 bits.
Which one?
Yes, sir. They didn't ask for a graph.
Acha. Yeah, you can.
It's
No,
just calculation, right,
yeah,
sir?
simply you can put yes. So Yanvi, you are doing
Okay,
this.
Yes, sir.
You came from school today late. You came from
Yes, sir.
Sir, second part will be 32.
okay. 32.
Yes, sir, 32.
It's giving here 1 minus 160 by 9 degrees Celsius. If C is equals to 0, then they are saying, you are saying. So here what they are getting?
Yes, sir, I'm saying if C is equals to 0.
If the
9 by 5 into 0 plus 32.
if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, then what? Okay. They are saying that two questions are there in the second part. If temperature is 0 degrees
Sir,
Celsius,
small question.
hmm,
Sir, in the solution, they have given it wrong, sir. If you see the third point, after substituting 95 for F, they said they brought 95 over to RHS, but they put, instead of saying minus plus 32 minus 95, they did
Wait,
95 minus 32, sir.
wait, I'll check here. I'll check 1 minute. One by one, I'm just. If they given wrong, we'll correct it. No problem.
So for
Okay, sir.
first,
95 is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. 9 by 5 is equal to 95 minus 32.
Sir,
Then
it's
9
not supposed to be 95 minus 32, right?
it's correct only.
so
No?
first one I'm getting 35, sir.
Sir, if it's in RHS, isn't it 32 minus 95?
See, it's like this. 95 is equal. Same thing I told before also. How don't confuse here. See, 9 by 5 C plus 32. This is correct. No, say this one I'm writing same as it is.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
so we
Sir,
reverse.
correct only, sir.
Yeah, reverse it completely. No problem. Leave this one. You write here this equal to 95. Can we write like this?
Oh,
If you are writing completely reversing your writing, no sign will not change. No problem at all.
okay,
Sir,
sir.
I'm getting 35 as answer too.
Okay, fine. The before I told the same thing. No, you can reverse completely. No problem at all. So 9 by 5 C is equals to 95 minus what? 32. But you should completely reverse only. You should do, children. Completely reverse you should do.
Sir, if Fahrenheit is 0 degree, then the Celsius will be 160 upon 9.
What? If Fahrenheit is 0?
Yes.
If Fahrenheit is 0, then 9 by 5 C plus 32. Then 9 by 5 C is equal to minus 32. C is equal to minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. So you'll get 160 by 9, minus 160 by 9 degree Fahrenheit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sriyan, we got the same answer.
Sir, should we convert 160 by 9 into decimals?
Your wish, you can convert if you want. This is also enough only. Sriyan, we got the same answer. 0 degree Fahrenheit height is equals to, oh, this Celsius, no, Celsius.
Yes, sir.
0 degree Fahrenheit is equals to minus 160 by 9 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
All right. So very first I taught you children this one, elimination method, substitution method, right? Did you remember that? Did you remember the questions, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give the question, one question. You do by elimination method and substitution method, okay?
Okay, sir.
2x plus 3y is equals to 7. And 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. Solve x and y by elimination and substitution method. Substitution method. All of you solve for x and y by substitution method. If you cannot do it, just tell me immediately.
Sir, can you explain it once?
Which method you are
Elimination methods. Sir, if you can you explain both of them? ones.
Elimination means anyone we should make it equal first. Either this you make equal. This is very tough question actually, bit tricky I have given to you. This I given tricky. So this children, I don't think you people can solve. You can solve by first
Could you
you
give, sir, could you give us some time, sir?
yeah, substitution is easy. You can do this one. Elimination is bit tough for you. I think so. Substitution you can do in a minute, but you may have doubt in elimination part. Okay, I'll give 1 minute. Ashini, you were having doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What I thought you are not having any list of that.
Sir?
What I taught in the first day and second day, you are not having any thing for that.
Sir, I was absent for the previous classes, a few classes, so I didn't understand.
Sir, is y equals to 45 by 11?
No.
Sir, by substitution method, I got x as 2 and y as 1.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir. I also got the same
And now
answer.
I'm trying elimination method.
Okay, elimination method, try. Elimination method, I don't think you get. But anyway, you try. Ah, you get. This also you get. Elimination also easy only, children. Elimination is also easy only.
So I already elimination method, sir. I'm done with that.
Elimination is done with that.
Yes, sir.
Answer is
X equals to 2 and y is equal to 29 by 13.
y is equal to 1 only you should get.
So
See,
y
we-
is equal to 1.
Yeah, what you are getting, what you are doing for this. Pulastya, you got the answer? Pulastya, you are getting the answer or
Yeah, I
not?
got the answer.
By both the methods?
Sir, could you
Sir, I
explain
didn't get the elimination method, sir.
Sir, could you
Pulastya,
explain elimination method?
yeah, I'll tell you. Pulastya, you are by both the method is solved already. Pulastya, answer me.
Yeah.
Did you solve by both the methods?
No, I only solved by one. I'm going to solve it with another right now.
Okay, Sahil, you?
So I have done with the substitution method. I am doing the elimination method. Elimination.
Okay, fine. Children, first you see substitution method because everyone has done. So substitution method, what we should do? See, from first equation, Shriyanvi, you got the answer by both methods?
I'm still doing it, sir. I done the elimination one.
Elimination we did off, right? You get 2 and 1 as answer.
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. You see substitution method, children, those who are not getting, you can write here 2x is equals to, you can write 7 minus 3y. Can you write this? So x is equals to 7 minus 3y divided by 2. Can you write this, children, or not? I'm doing by substitution method. First,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
what we are doing, we are finding the value of x from equation first and putting the value of x in equation second. Okay, put x in equation second. What do you get?
Sir, but where did the minus 2y go?
Where is minus 2y?
3x
First,
minus 2y is equal to
I'm just solving equation first, and we see this one. Sorry, Ashini. I'm
Okay,
solving
sir.
only first part. From first part, I'm solving x, and same thing I'm putting in equation second. Okay. So I'll write here 3 into 7 minus 3y divided by 2 What happened?
I got the elimination method.
All right, fine, fine. So see here what to do. 7 3s are 21 minus 9y divided by 2 minus 2y is equals to 4. After solving, you'll get y is equals to 1. You just solve, you'll get y is equal to what? 1. So if I solve here, I'm solving here only. Just get to know what actually the thing is. Here see LCM is 2. 21 minus 9y minus 4y is equal to 4. So 21 minus 13y is equals to 8. So minus 13y is equals to 8 minus 21. So minus 13y is equal to what? Minus 13. So y is equals to what? 1. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
If you are
Sir,
getting
so we should do the substitution method and then the elimination.
anyway, you can do either you do elimination first or substitution, no problem. I want both the methods. That's it.
So can you go up again?
1 minute.
I want to see the question again.
Yeah, see.
Okay.
So now y is equal to 1 you got. Now we put in this equation. You are getting this equation. This is easier. You can put anywhere, no problem. First, second, or this equation you can put. But this is the easiest part where you can put y. That your 7 minus 3 into 1 divided by 2. 4 by 2 answer is 2 only. Is it clear, children, or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now elimination method is damn easy. What we can do is you have to either equate this both should be equal or this both should be equal. So what we do, first equation you multiply by 2 and second equation you multiply by 3. Or first equation multiply by 2, second equation multiply by 3. Your wish. See, if you multiply by 2, this becomes 6y. And this also becomes 6y, right? If you multiply by 3 with 2 with this and 3 with this become plus 6y, this become what? Minus 6y. Understood what I'm trying to say? Anyone you have
Yes,
to
sir.
cancel it off. Anyone you have to cancel it off. So how the equation will become 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. And 3x minus 2y is equal to what? 4. This is the question only now. You multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by what? 3. Okay. So what do you get? Sriyanu, you did the same thing.
Yes, sir.
So we'll get here 4x plus 6y is equals to 14. And you will get 9x minus 6y is equal to what? 12.
Yes,
On,
sir.
on adding, what we get? This get cancelled. 13x is equals to 26. So x is equals to 2. Now put this two equation in anyone, this one or this one, your wish. We'll get y is equals to 1. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Those who are not getting, they can just copy it across. This elimination is easier. Substitution, you may do mistake somewhere if your basics are not good. In 8th class, if linear equation in one variable, chapter number 3, is not proper, then you may have difficulty in that. Substitution method, see, somewhere you may do mistake, but elimination is the easy part.
Sir, could you explain the calculation for 21 minus 9y by 2 is minus 2y is equal to 4?
Where, which one, elimination or
In
substitution?
the substitution method, sir.
Okay, where?
In the substitution method, sir.
Okay, you are saying which one? This line you are
Sir,
saying? This line?
yes, sir. 21 minus, yes, sir. 21 minus 9y minus 4y. Mine
Let's
is
see.
that one, sir.
Simply I multiply 3 with 7 also and 3 with this also. That's it. And divide by
Okay, sir.
2.
Okay, I did only mistake.
Yeah. So
Sir,
that is,
Sir, I'm having a doubt in the elimination method, sir.
still you are having doubt.
Yes, sir. Sir, in you equated y. No, I multiplied by 3. I multiplied the first equation by 3 and second by 2.
1 minute.
So I got 6x plus.
Wait. I'll solve that also. Wait. Dot also I'll solve here. So question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. And
Yes.
3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Correct?
Yes, sir. I multiplied the first one by 3 and second one by 2. So I equated 6.
Wait. So I'll get here 6x plus 9y is equals to 21, correct?
Yes, sir. That one I got.
Then 6x minus 4y is equal to
4y
8.
is equal to 8. Yes, sir.
On subtractor, here you go subtract. This become minus, this become plus, this become minus. You get this one?
So every time we have to subtract only.
No, add also, because here sign are the same. No, you have to subtract.
Okay, yes, if sign are different, then we have to add.
Yeah. So first, this what I did, I have added because sign are already different. See here on the numerator, this before one what I did. Here I have added here because sign are same only. See, I have added because sign are different. Plus and minus, before only it was plus and minus. And but here what you are doing here, both
Yes,
sign is
sir.
same. Here both sign is same. That's why you have to subtract. Understood?
Yes, sir. That's what I added out, sir.
Then this will get cancelled. Then it becomes plus 13y is equal to 13. The y is equal to 1. Okay, children, you practice more and more and more. And NSO, ISO is there, no, on your this thing, right? You keep
Yes,
on,
sir.
yeah, just keep on practicing those things.
Yes, sir.
And you have to submit to the classroom also. I make one this, you have to submit the assignment also. Next class I'll do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children, that's for today. If you're having doubt, you can ask or you can leave for the day for today.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
children.
sir.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Yeah, Pulastya, what happened? Pulastya, you are having any doubt? Hello. हाँ संतोष पूछ रहे हो